Hey there, welcome. In today's video, we're diving into CleanSmtp, a service designed to simplify and enhance your email sending. If you're in email marketing or managing business outreach, you know how crucial it is to have emails land in the inbox and not in spam folders. CleanSmtp provides a range of tools to help boost deliverability and protect sender reputation, making it an ideal choice for companies and marketers aiming for reliable email outreach. Advantages and features: CleanSmtp specializes in keeping your emails safe from spam traps and blacklists, so they reach your recipients as intended. It features high deliverability servers, automated email filtering, and robust IP reputation management. Their platform helps reduce bounce rates, which can be a game changer for companies sending high volumes of emails. For instance, CleanSmtp provides email validation, which checks addresses before sending. This feature helps to weed out invalid emails, minimizing bounces and ensuring higher inbox placement. Another highlight is its spam checker, which helps ensure your emails meet all the guidelines to avoid spam filters. CleanSmtp also supports detailed reporting, so you can easily analyze deliverability and engagement data after each campaign. Services offered: the main services CleanSmtp provides are bulk email sending, transactional email support, and robust reporting for performance insights. With their SMTP servers, you can send large volumes of emails smoothly while maintaining sender reputation, which is essential for consistent deliverability. CleanSmtp's email validation and filtering features help keep your mailing lists clean and your delivery rates without disadvantages. Despite its advantages, CleanSmtp may have a learning curve if you're new to managing email deliverability or haven't used an SMTP provider before. The initial setup may take a bit of time, especially for users not familiar with DNS settings and email authentication methods. Additionally, while CleanSmtp offers helpful features, some advanced analytics and customization options could be more robust compared to other dedicated email marketing tools. Pricing: CleanSmtp offers several pricing options depending on the volume of emails you plan to send. It's priced competitively for businesses with larger email needs, though smaller businesses may find it a bit higher than basic email providers. However, given the specialized deliverability features and dedicated support, it's a good investment for those serious about maintaining email reputation and improving open rates. If you're also looking for effective email organization and cleanup, I recommend trying Clean Email. It's an intuitive tool for managing and sorting emails efficiently, and it pairs well with CleanSmtp to keep your inbox organized and your campaigns on point. For the best email manager experience, follow the link in the video description. So, if you're aiming for better inbox placement and fewer bounces, CleanSmtp might be the tool you need. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more guides like this.